In today's video, I'll show you how to easily attach files to an email in Zoho Mail. Whether it's documents, images, or any other important files, attaching them makes your communication clear and professional. First, log into your Zoho Mail account at mailzoho.com with your credentials. Once inside your inbox, click the New Mail button at the top left corner to open a Compose window. In the Compose window, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom left corner. Clicking it gives you several options to attach your files. The easiest method is upload from computer, which opens your file browser so you can select and upload your file. If you already use Zoho Work Drive, you can choose Attach from Zoho Work Drive to directly attach files stored in Zoho's cloud. No download needed. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Compose window for a quick and intuitive way to attach multiple files. Once your files are uploaded and your email content is ready, simply click Send and your message with attachments will be delivered to the recipient, and that's it. Attaching files in Zoho Mail is simple, fast, and enhances your email communication. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore more Zoho features to make your emailing even smoother.